What's good, people? Coming at you from the car. All right, to start off, if you got the dry ass scalps like your boy right here, you know what I'm saying? I got kind of dry scalps. I ain't even gonna lie, stupid boy type of jersey, you know what I'm saying? But I got this whole playlist for you. I done put it together, all the videos where I'm talking about dryness. Any information I'm giving out, I put it all in one playlist. Go ahead, click that playlist, you feel me? And just to hook y'all up. And as far as what I'm dealing with now, as far as what I know and what I need to do with dealing with dryness is, first things first, if you got a real dry head scalp, and say like you wondering how often you should wash your hair or your head or whatever, I say the longest you can wait is 3 weeks. With the locks, yeah, 3 weeks. You don't want to go to months and all that, because you got this dry scalp. You're gonna need to do something with that, you know what I'm saying? You got to wash it more often. And if it is some eczema type thing or seborrheic dermatitis type thing, try not to wash your hair with real hot water, because that'll irritate that, and you know what I'm saying, you don't want to do all that. It'll kind of make it a little worse, make it come back faster, boom, boom, you feel me? You don't want to do all that. So try not to do it with that hot ass water, you know what I'm saying? Get that little warm, you know what I'm saying? You ain't got to make it cool. You ain't got to make it cool. Make it a little warm, you know what I'm saying? Goddamn, you be all right. But you wash them more often. I got shampoos and stuff that I use, which is in the links and in that playlist I'm talking about. But yeah, wash them more often. You can go 2 weeks, every 2 weeks, blah, blah, blah. And if you need to do a quick retwist, boom, hit a quick retwist, boom. I'm gonna make another video on that anyway. Shit. But that's pretty much all I got for dryness. Some things work for some people that don't work for others, and vice versa. So it's like some people will use Head and Shoulders shampoo. Some other people will use some other Shea Moisture shampoo. And you know what I'm saying, what works for that person, you know, works for that person. You know, it's just like the oils. I got this one oil that I use. Other people, they might have to use this other one oil, and that's what works for them and their dryness. Basically, picking out the best products out of the lineup of whatever you find, research, and see that you have choices of to fix whatever problem you have, whatever remedies that you can get, and seeing which one is the best for you. You know what I'm saying? Trial and error type thing. I'll say after 3 to 5 days, you should see if it's helping or not. You know what I'm saying? I say after a week or 2 weeks, you'll see if the dryness would have came back, whatever product that you're using. Because you know, if you got that dry scalp, that bitch will come back in 2 weeks. My nigga, like 2 weeks, my shit itch like a bitch. The fuck? You know what I'm saying? So after like a week and a half, 2 weeks, you'll know if that product is working for you or not. And if it's not, boom, throw that to the side, switch it up. You feel me? Go ahead, don't do that thing. That's what I've been doing. You feel me? Shit, I just want to come at y'all, let y'all know. Because somebody had hit me up on having dry scalps and all that shit. So I, you know what I'm saying, hit them with the links. And I felt like I need to put some more, a little bit of information out there and get it all organized for y'all. So y'all can just go ahead and hit that and watch all that at the same time. You know what I'm saying? You ain't got to skim through trying to find the right title for what the fuck you need. You know what I'm saying? I try to put it all in there for you. You feel me? But till next time, it's your boy, and I'm out. Peace.